Imagine teaching what you already know from the comfort of your home and earning tens of thousands of dollars while doing it. I'm talking about real money. In fact, I made over $50,000 teaching online with just a laptop, free tools, and zero formal teaching degree. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it, what I taught, where I taught, and how you can start today, no matter your background. Welcome to Coincrafts, the home for practical, profitable, step-by-step ways to build digital income streams in 2025 and beyond. The first step to teaching online is choosing a topic. And no, you don't need to be an expert. You just need to be one step ahead of someone else. I taught digital marketing basics and productivity hacks, but you can teach anything you're confident in, like conversational English, high school math, photography, graphic design, or even music theory. Think about it. If you've ever helped a friend understand something, congratulations, you've already taught before. So don't wait until you're a master. You're more ready than you think. Let's talk about where the magic happens, the platforms that pay you to share your knowledge. First, Skillshare. It pays you based on watch time. Every minute someone watches your class, you earn. I made over $500 a month here consistently. Second, Udemy. This platform pays you every time someone buys your course. My top course alone earned more than $10,000. Third, Preply. This one is great for live one-on-one tutoring, especially for language teaching. I taught English conversation here and made over $14,000. Fourth, Teachable. This platform allows you to build your own branded course website. I earned over $8,000 here by offering packages and custom experiences. Fifth, Outschool. If you love kids or teens, this is perfect. I even taught a course called Roblox Math that was a hit. So many platforms, so many possibilities. The question is, where do you want to start? Now, you might be wondering, what kind of tech setup do I need? Surprisingly, you can start with a basic laptop, your built-in mic, and a quiet space. For lesson slides and thumbnails, I used Sonua. It's drag and drop easy. To record my screen and voice, I used OBS Studio, completely free. To organize files and worksheets, I used Google Drive. I also used ChatGPT to write lesson scripts, design quizzes, and brainstorm ideas when I got stuck. For live classes and coaching calls, I relied on Zoom. That's it. No expensive gear, no complicated software, just simple, free tools and a bit of creativity. Now let's get into the numbers. Here's my exact income breakdown over 1 year. From Skillshare, I earned $6,200. From Udemy, I brought in $21,000. My live tutoring on Preply earned me $14,300. My self-hosted courses on Teachable earned $8,500. That adds up to a total of over $50,000. And guess what? Most of that income was passive. I made the course once and kept getting paid every single month. Now let me give you some tips that helped me succeed fast. Tip number 1. Pick a topic that's in demand. Look at what's trending on Udemy or Skillshare. Think personal finance, productivity, AI, or study tips. Tip number 2. Keep your lessons short and engaging. Aim for 5 to 10 minutes per lesson. No one wants a 3-hour video anymore. Tip number 3. Add extra value. Include PDFs, quizzes, or bonus videos. It helps your course stand out and boosts ratings. Tip number 4. Promote. Use TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels to tease your course and build an audience. Tip number 5. Offer something free. A free mini lesson builds trust and brings people into your full course funnel. Once I had one course doing well, I didn't stop there. I created a bundle, multiple related courses for one price. That increased my earnings per student dramatically. Then I added email marketing using ConvertKit, which helped me bring students back for new offers. I also created a private Facebook group where students could ask questions that build trust and more sales. If you're serious about scaling, consider these strategies. Add a mini ebook with your course, offer group coaching sessions, host a live Q&A once a month. Remember, one good course can lead to multiple income streams. Teaching online is not just a side hustle, it can be a full-blown business. You already have knowledge someone else needs, and now, with these platforms and tools, you can package that knowledge and get paid for it. No degree, no fancy studio, just your skill, a laptop, and able to teach. If I could earn over $50,000 from home, so can you. If this video gave you some ideas, do me a favor, hit the like button. It tells the algorithm you want more content like this. Comment below what course idea you're thinking about. I read every single one and reply. And of course, subscribe to Coincrafts for weekly guides on turning your skills, your creativity, and yes, even your AI tools into real income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.